thank you very much to Mr. Brian. So kind. Yung mag-asawa guys, napakabait na sa susunod daw, doon daw kami sa bahay nila. Doon daw kami sa bahay nila. So, abangan natin. CJ, come here, CJ. Come here. Don't shy. Yeah. Okay guys. Kunin ko na lang yung picture dito.
Look at that.
Yeah, but like on that one.
Yeah.
Madilim?
Hindi, bubuksan natin yung kwan. Ayan. Ito guys. Ayan.
I'll just stay in the car.
Ayan si Brian, thank you very much. And you wanna see the...
You said you'd rather stay in the car? I want to see.
Yeah. But so many wara-wara. That one. See?
And
Alright guys, ayan. Woohoo! Family, Gardner family, thank you very much for
ayan.
letting us kwan.
Akit ako dito sa ano truck.
But madaming kalat. Yeah. Ayan guys.
Yeah, there's long haul trucking.
Yeah.
What's inside?
It's bed, rep, this one?
Yeah.
No, it's empty.
Oh.
Peter, the
Ayan. RJ, come here. Okay guys. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Thank you very much. So yun guys, ang pagmi-meet namin nila Madam Chris Gardner ng Amerika dito sa Tennessee. Dito sa Burt, Tennessee. So ayan guys, umuwi na sila. Nandito tayo sa ano, Bartlett. Ito yung lugar nila guys. So maraming salamat sa mag-asawa, napakabait nila, lalong-lalo na kay ano, kay Brian. Yan. Say thank you to them. Say thank you Tito and Tita.
thank you, Tito and Tita.
Yeah, until the next time.
Until the next time.
Yeah, okay guys. So, eto papunta na rin kami sa ano, sa tutulugan namin ni RG. And ayan, maraming salamat hanggang sa uulitin. Gardner family. Boom.